spermatogenesis? It is a part of, it is a process during human reproduction. What is spermatogenesis? First thing we will discuss. Spermatogenesis is the process of synthesis of sperm, or it is the process of sperm production after a male reaches puberty. This is done in a structure called spermatogonium. Now, what is spermatogonium? So, this is the singular word and the plural is spermatogonia. So, it is the structure which synthesizes sperm during and after puberty. I repeat, spermatogonium, plural spermatogonia, are the structure which synthesizes sperm during and after puberty. When a male person reaches puberty, spermatogonia synthesizes sperm. Spermatogenesis occurs in spermatogonia, and in case of male person, testis is the primary sex organ. It produces gametes. So we can say spermatogonia are present inside the testis. Now coming to the next point, that is steps of spermatogenesis. We can easily write down the steps like this. Firstly, spermatogonia, spermatogonium give rise to many spermatogoniums. That is, it's spermatogonia. You can say first spermatogonium undergo, from spermatogonium it's spermatogonia. Then next primary spermatocyte. That's the next structure, primary spermatocytes. Then next structure, secondary spermatocytes. Just a moment. Secondary spermatocytes. From this, spermatids are produced. Spermatids. Then the spermatid develop into spermatozoa. So these are the structures. It's better to say the structures. So first one, spermatogonium, it undergoes mitosis. I repeat, one spermatogonium undergoes mitosis. It's better to write undergo goes mitosis and produces many spermatogonia. Okay, then this spermatogonia undergo first meiotic division and it produces primary spermatocyte. Then primary spermatocyte undergo second meiotic division and it produces secondary spermatocyte. Then secondary spermatocytes transform to spermatids. These spermatids later gets converted to spermatozoa. These spermatozoa are also called sperm. Now coming to the detail. So what happens? We know that each cell in our body consists of 46 chromosomes, or it's better to say 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs. Right? When spermatogonium undergo mitosis, then each spermatogonia consists of 46 chromosomes. In the next step, when meiosis starts, obviously the chromosome number becomes half. So these are haploid cells, and they contain only 23 chromosomes, not 23 pairs. So 23 chromosomes. So when from primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes will be synthesized due to second meiotic division, they will also contain 23 chromosomes. These are transformed to spermatids. Then these spermatids, now coming to the detail again. The spermatids, so each secondary spermatocyte produce 4 equal haploid spermatids. Then spermatids are transformed to spermatozoa or sperm, as I told. And now this process is called spermiogenesis. After the spermiogenesis, the sperm head becomes embedded in the Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells are present in seminiferous tubules. So these sperms are released by seminiferous tubule, and the process is called spermiation. So here we can write, when spermatids are converted to the spermatozoa, this process is called spermiogenesis. Now what is spermiation then? What is spermiation? Spermiation is the process of embedding the sperm heads in Sertoli cells and release of sperms from seminiferous tubules. I repeat, as you can see, what is spermiation? Spermiation is the process of embedding the sperm heads in Sertoli cells and release of sperms from seminiferous tubule. Now coming to the hormones involved. Hormones involved in spermiation, or we can say spermatogenesis, anything. The hormone involved is called gonadotropin releasing hormone. Short form, it's capital G small n RH. It is a hypothalamic hormone, so it again stimulates production of two more hormones by the pituitary gland. One is luteinizing hormone LH, and third one is follicle-stimulating hormone. Now, what is the role of luteinizing hormone and follicle-stimulating? Gonadotropin releasing hormone, I said, it stimulates production of number 2 and number 3 hormone. So, luteinizing hormone, this one, luteinizing hormone, here I will write about luteinizing hormone function, acts on Sertoli cells, Leydig cells, and synthesize and secrete androtropin. Okay, so that's another hormone. So that's the fourth one. So it's the fourth hormone released. And what is the role of follicle stimulating hormone? Here we will see. It acts on Sertoli cell and stimulates secretion of some factors which help in process of spermatogenesis. So secretion of some factors which help in process of spermatogenesis. Done. So 4 hormones are released. Now coming to the structure of sperm. It consists of head, neck, middle part, that is middle piece, and tail. So mainly 4 parts, as you can see in this image. So head consists of, the outermost layer is the plasma membrane, as you can see. Here is the plasma membrane. Then the nucleus, haploid type of nucleus, contains chromosomal material. And also it contains acrosome, which is a cap-like structure present at the anterior part, that is the front part. This is the front part. So acrosome is present and it consists of enzymes which help the sperm to penetrate ovum. Okay. Now next part is the neck region. This is the neck region. Middle piece is this part. It consists of mitochondria, several mitochondria which are rich in energy, we know. It helps to maintain the motility of the tail. This is the tail part, as you can see. This is the tail. So during each ejaculation, 200 to 300 million sperms are released. Okay. What else to discuss? Now coming to what is semen. So basically semen is seminal fluid. Semen is seminal fluid plus semen. So plus sperm. So semen is the fluid, seminal fluid in which sperm is present. Now why we are saying this? Because this seminal fluid is released by the glands present in male reproductive system. So what are these glands? These are epididymis, vasa efferentia, vasa deferens, seminal vesicle, and prostate. What is the function then? Maturity and motility of sperm. Now, what are the functions of accessory duct? They maintain testicular hormone.